Hi Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. As you know that government has closed school for few days because of COVID-19. That's why we have started online classes. I am your teacher of class K0 and today I will tell you how to read and write counting in order. Let's start with me. First of all, we have 0 and now we write what comes after 0, which is 1. Now write 1. Sorry. Write 1 carefully. Write in a full block. Now come to the next block. What comes after 1? Which is 2. Write in full block. 2 after 2 write 3, 4. Write very carefully, neat and clean. Don't erase again and again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now in the next line we will write 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I hope after this lecture you will able to read and write counting. I hope after this lecture you will be able to read and write counting in order from 1 to 50. Okay students, best of luck. Allah Hafiz.